Welcome to the Top Best. The Best Ghostbusters is probably one of the most iconic animated series ever to grace our screens, bringing the beloved movie characters into a new era of supernatural adventures with a unique blend of humor, action, and spooky fun that captivated a generation and continues to entertain fans today with its memorable characters and thrilling storylines. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, also known as Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also part of this set. This starship is ready for action with a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod. It's designed for thrilling play scenarios. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Inside, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area for your adventures. Recreate intense battles from the Mandalorian series. Use the included weapons to engage in exciting showdowns against the Scout Trooper and other adversaries. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is an ideal birthday present or any day gift. It's perfect for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. This highly detailed LEGO model brings the iconic Razor Crest starship to life. It includes beloved characters like the Mandalorian and the Child. If you're a fan of the Mandalorian and love building intricate LEGO sets, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The LEGO box itself was packaged in not one, but 2 different boxes of increasing size. More than just providing the set with enough protection while shipping, this packaging overcorrect ensured that we received a pristine box for collecting purposes. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. Number 4. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood novel. Experience the world of Once Upon a Time in Hollywood like never before. This is the first novel from the beloved filmmaker, bringing his unique storytelling to the page. Dive into a story you thought you knew, now reimagined in a brand new format. It's the debut novel from a truly beloved storyteller. This narrative expands upon the critically acclaimed film that captured audiences worldwide. Discover new depths and details within this compelling story. Fans have eagerly awaited this literary journey. It represents a significant and exciting new chapter for its acclaimed creator. Step back into the vibrant world of 1960s Hollywood. This novel offers an immersive experience, rich with character and atmosphere. What we like. This novel offers a unique literary experience based on a critically acclaimed film. It's written by a renowned filmmaker, providing a distinct narrative voice. If you enjoyed the movie and appreciate a deeper dive into its story and characters through prose, this book is a must-read. What people say. Additional scenes, thoughts and memories of characters, and descriptions of places and even sights and sounds emanating from TV and radios are throughout the narrative. The book does 3 things in a great manner. It does explore more of Cliff Booth, it talks a lot about those 60s TV shows and 60s Hollywood, and until the last chapter the chemistry between Rick Dalton and Mirabella is taken to new heights. The book is a good read with several parallel, ultimately intersecting, storylines that arrive at what I can only assume is essentially the beginning of the movie. Number 3. The Big Book of Serial Killers. Dive into the chilling world of true crime. This encyclopedia explores the lives and motives of infamous serial killers throughout history. Gain a comprehensive understanding of criminal psychology. It meticulously details their patterns and the investigations that brought them to justice. Explore in-depth profiles of notorious figures. Learn about their backgrounds, methods, and the impact they had on society. This is the definitive guide for anyone fascinated by the darker aspects of human nature. It offers a detailed and objective look at these complex cases. It helps you understand the unthinkable by presenting factual accounts. Discover the stories behind the headlines and the minds that committed these terrible acts. What we like. This comprehensive encyclopedia delves into the lives and crimes of notorious serial killers. It offers in-depth research and detailed accounts. If you have a fascination with true crime and want to understand the psychology and history behind these individuals, this book provides an exhaustive resource. What people say. Each of the serial killer files includes information on when and how they killed the victims, the background of each killer, or the suspects in some cases such as the Zodiac Killer, their trials and punishments. This AZ encyclopedia of 150 serial killers is the ideal reference book. Included are the most famous true crime serial killers, like Jeffrey Dahmer, John Wayne Gacy, and Richard Ramirez, and not to mention the women who kill, such as Aileen Wuornos and Martha Rendell. Superb book on serial killers. Each one contained here has a write-up featuring modus operandi, arrest and incarceration details, if they have been caught, some trivia and other facts sprinkled in. Contains 150 killers. Number 2. LEGO Ideas 123, Sesame Street Building Kit. Step back in time and relive cherished memories with this iconic building set. It features the beloved 123, Sesame Street building and Hooper store, ready for you to assemble. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures and figures. You'll find Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, Ernie, Oscar the Grouch, and Big Bird, along with some special friends. Discover the detailed interiors of Elmo's bedroom and Bert and Ernie's apartment. It's packed with authentic elements and charming details that fans will adore. The fun doesn't stop there. Explore Hooper's store, Big Bird's nest, and Oscar's trash can. This 1,367-piece kit offers hours of enjoyment for solo builders or family fun. Standing over 9 inches tall, this impressive model is designed to be displayed. It's the ultimate gift for any Sesame Street enthusiast or LEGO collector. What we like. This LEGO set recreates the beloved 123, Sesame Street and Hooper's store with incredible detail. It features many iconic characters and nostalgic elements. If you grew up watching Sesame Street or want to share that joy with your family, this set is a fantastic way to build and display cherished memories. What people say. This set has so much charm. This is definitely a challenge build, but well worth it. Not to mention if you're building it together you can enjoy all the great level of detail the designer has put into this set to satisfy the fans and just bring that hint of your childhood back. This set has so much detail. From pictures of the Count and Mr. Hooper on the wall to Ernie's rubber ducky to Big Bird's teddy bear, this set has it all. The architectural detail is great and the minifigs created for the set are much more true to life than typical LEGO minifigs, the kids will love them. For adults, the set includes details from different eras of the show and is sure to have you looking up old episodes online. Elmo, Cookie Monster, Big Bird and a bunch of the gang are in the set, even the Count Von Count appears in the set. As soon as you start to put brick after brick your memory would bring up to live those Sesame Street chapters of your childhood. Number 1. Fascinations Metal Earth Ecto 1 Ghostbusters 3D Metal Model Kit. This is a hobby model kit that requires assembly. It comes packed in an envelope with easy-to-follow instructions, making it ideal for builders aged 14 and up. You won't need any glue or solder to build this model. The parts easily clip from the metal sheets, and the included tweezers are perfect for bending and twisting the connection tabs. This premium series model features the iconic Ecto 1 from Ghostbusters. It's a challenging 3-sheet build, and once completed, it measures 6.60 L x 2.50 W x 2.70 H. Transform flat steel sheets into a detailed 3D model. Simply pop out the pieces and connect them using the provided tabs and holes, following the illustrated instructions. This is a highly detailed etched model that looks fantastic when displayed. It's a great addition to your collection, and you can build them all. What we like. This metal model kit allows you to build a highly detailed 3D replica of the iconic Ecto 1 from Ghostbusters. It requires no glue, making assembly straightforward. If you're a Ghostbusters fan looking for a challenging yet rewarding build and a cool display piece, this metal model is an excellent option. What people say. Enjoyed building this. The set includes all the characters from the original series. The detail on the Ecto 1 is amazing, with working lights and siren. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.